Hey everyone, this is Katie Skoog with Simple Life Pattern Company. I wanted to jump on here and show you a quick video of our new pattern layout, our new tutorials. We are updating the aria pattern. This will be the first one, the first pattern featuring our new tutorial. You'll notice we have expanded our size range from 2T to size 16. We previously went to 12, but now we've also added 14 and 16 onto this pattern, and this is going to be on all of our future patterns and any of the patterns that we update. So that's some exciting news. We're also including a really awesome projector file update that we are going to go over in a totally different video, because anyone that uses a projector, you're going to want to watch that and you are going to love it. It's so amazing. So our patterns are still interactive just like they were before. We have links throughout. You can follow us on social media by clicking on any of those. We also have this sidebar that will take you wherever you want to go in the pattern. Right here on our size chart, you'll notice we have imperial and that we've added metric sizing to our patterns. This is a big win. I'm so excited. Blue will always be imperial, metric will always be pink. Anytime you see that, a table in a blue or pink color, you'll know which one applies to you. So now we're here at our fabric requirements. I do want to show you a fun layer that I added. Right here under the tutorial portion, there is a don't print, save ink. Now we've had a save ink layer in our previous interactive PDF, but this one's even better. Like, check this out. So now we have black and white tables. This is perfect for saving ink. This is very printer friendly, and not just for the tables, but for the whole tutorial itself. Is, it saves a lot of ink, and you could just print the black tables like that. So pretty. Or if you don't want to view these softer colors, then you have the option to have the high contrast. So whatever fits your needs, I'm hoping you love that. Here we are. We have your options and description. Nothing's really changed on that page. Here we have our print layout. We have added rectangle pieces to all the patterns, so anything that's on a cutting chart, it will also be a printable pattern piece. So with this, you have a whole lot more pages to print. So if you wanted to copy the page numbers, you can click the print right there, and then you can paste it and then print. So that's another great feature. That was in our previous one as well, but now that we have added rectangles, you'll kind of want to print just what you need, or if you want all those pattern pieces, then you can print them all out too. So now we have our cutting charts. Same thing with this, so fun. You can turn them off and on for the color. We have our informative page. It tells you your notions, your seam allowance, your fabric recommendations, link to YouTube, and you can join our newsletter too by clicking there. We're here at the tutorial. You could just click right there. So say you're right here and you just want to go straight to the tutorial. It is still interactive. Not much has changed here. You'll notice that down at the bottom, it shows the seam allowance is 3/8 inch for pretty much everything except for the bow center, and bow back panel pieces, because those are 1/4 inch. So at the bottom of every tutorial page, you'll see your seam allowance. And then you can just kind of skip on through your steps as you're sewing, depending on the options that you are doing. You can click right here and follow us on social media as well. We also have our beautiful tester pages, because they're so amazing and it's so hard to choose just 9, so this one got 18. This one is our quick sew steps. This is a big addition as well. This has all of our steps from the tutorial without the photos. So if you just want a quick guide to sew through the entire garment, it's also interactive. It's great for printing. You can turn off the print layers and you can print this and have it next to your sewing machine as a guide, especially if you've already made this once or twice and just need to look back here and there, or if you're a seasoned sewer and just kind of want to whip on through all of it, there you go. You can just have those. Aria has 4 pages of these, so you can just scroll down or print them. Then we are down to our pattern pieces, which are pretty standard. Nothing's really changed there besides adding the rectangles. You have your layers, print what you need. I really hope you guys enjoy our new pattern layout. It was a lot of work, and I'm super excited for this. I'm really excited for the expanded size range. I'm really excited for the new projector files, and I just like the ease of use on this. I love that we have metric now. Please let me know what you think. Tell me your comments, and tell me how you feel about it. Thank you.